Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Not happy with the current quality of your videos? Well, you can easily turn them into 4K resolution for a better viewing experience. In this video, I will show you how to convert any video format to 4K quality on your computer. Let's go. If you're still using different tools for video editing, compressing, converting, and so on, it's time you discovered that you can have all these features in one convenient place. Personally, I really like using this tool because it's an all-in-one video and audio toolkit. It effortlessly converts various media formats, compresses file sizes while keeping the original quality, and has AI-powered functions like speech-to-text and vocal remover. So, would you like to try it out? You can click my link below to download the software and get a special discount as a new user. Once you've installed the software, go to the video converter menu from the main dashboard. First, add the video files you want to convert. You can either drag and drop them directly into the program or click Choose Files to upload them. By default, the program will automatically suggest a different format than the original file. For example, if you upload an MKV video, it will be set to convert to MP4. It also supports many formats, including MP4, MOV, MKV, AVI, WMV, M4V, MPEG, and more. If you prefer a different video format for individual video, you can click the Settings menu next to each file. But if you want to convert all the uploaded videos and apply the same format at once, you can adjust the settings in the panel below. Besides choosing the file format, you can also control the resolution of your converted video. Since the program aims to convert without losing the original video quality, it is automatically set to Smart Fit, which means it will have the same resolution as your original file. For the highest possible resolution of the converted output, select 4K video instead. Once you're done with the necessary settings, click Convert to start the process. This may take some time, especially if you are converting a lot of videos or some very large files. After conversion, head over to the Finished tab and click Open next to any converted file to jump directly to its saved location. Let's compare the original video with the converted one. As you can see, the original file was in MKV format, while the converted output is now an MP4 in 4K quality with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.